So here we have the microcontroller circuit. Here is a microcontroller right here, and here's a DHT-11 sensor. We can code the microcontroller to take the data from the DHT sensor and send it to this Ubuntu server, the data Python server, and then we can save the data that we get from the microcontroller, and we can send it to a web browser right here, and then using a NodeJs app right here, which as you can see for both the server and the app, it updates every time there's a request made to the server. Using Node.js, we can actually create a web application that displays where you're at, even though I'm not in my living room. But the last time the sensor was updated, or the last request was made to the server, and then the temperature in Fahrenheit and the humidity in percent of the room that you're currently in. So it's been about 5 minutes since I last updated this. So if we take a look, the humidity looks like it actually went up a little bit by 1%, and then the temperature went down as the sensor is starting to cool off. Thank you for watching.